Artificial intelligence, AI, holds a unique perspective on the phenomenon of YouTube life, the culture and lifestyle that has emerged around the platform. From analyzing vast amounts of data to understanding patterns in user behavior, AI can provide insights into the significance and impact of YouTube life on society today. Firstly, AI recognizes the immense popularity and influence of YouTube in contemporary culture. With billions of users worldwide consuming content ranging from entertainment and education to news and lifestyle, YouTube has become a dominant force in the digital landscape. AI algorithms are instrumental in powering YouTube's recommendation systems, which play a crucial role in shaping users' viewing experiences. By analyzing user preferences, viewing history, and engagement metrics, AI helps curate personalized content for each viewer, contributing to the platform's addictive appeal. Moreover, AI understands the dynamics of content creation and consumption within the YouTube ecosystem. Creators leverage the platform to share their talents, passions, and perspectives with a global audience, often building dedicated fan bases and lucrative careers in the process. AI can analyze trends in content production, audience demographics, and monetization strategies, providing valuable insights for creators and brands seeking to optimize their presence on YouTube. From the perspective of AI, YouTube Life represents a multifaceted phenomenon encompassing diverse forms of content and community engagement. It encompasses everything from vlogs and tutorials to gaming streams and cooking channels, reflecting the breadth and depth of human interests and creativity. AI algorithms are adept at categorizing and recommending content across these various genres, facilitating exploration and discovery for users seeking entertainment or information. Furthermore, AI recognizes the social and cultural implications of YouTube Life. The platform has democratized media production, allowing individuals from all walks of life to share their stories and connect with like-minded communities. YouTube influencers wield significant influence over their audiences, shaping trends, opinions, and consumer behavior. AI can analyze sentiment, engagement, and virality metrics to understand the impact of influencer marketing and digital culture on society. However, AI also acknowledges the challenges and controversies associated with YouTube Life. The platform's algorithmic recommendations have been criticized for promoting sensationalism, misinformation, and harmful content. Creators face pressures to maintain relevance and profitability in a competitive landscape, sometimes resorting to clickbait, controversy, or exploitation for views. AI-powered moderation tools are essential for combating issues like hate speech, harassment, and copyright infringement, but they are not without limitations. In assessing the value of YouTube Life to humans today, AI considers both the positive and negative aspects of the phenomenon. On one hand, YouTube offers unparalleled opportunities for self-expression, creativity, and community building. It provides a platform for marginalized voices to be heard, diverse perspectives to be shared, and meaningful connections to be forged. From educational content that empowers learners to entertainment that fosters escapism, YouTube enriches lives in myriad ways. On the other hand, YouTube's influence is not always benign, and its impact on society is not always positive. The pursuit of fame and fortune can lead to exploitation, burnout, and disillusionment for creators. The spread of misinformation and extremist ideologies can erode trust, polarize communities, and undermine democratic discourse. AI-powered recommendation algorithms have been criticized for exacerbating filter bubbles, echo chambers, and radicalization online. Ultimately, the value of YouTube Life to humans today depends on how it is wielded and experienced. When used responsibly and ethically, YouTube can be a powerful tool for education, entertainment, and empowerment. Creators, viewers, and platform operators all have a role to play in shaping a healthier and more inclusive digital ecosystem. By harnessing the insights and capabilities of AI, we can strive to realize the full potential of YouTube as a force for good in the world.